Hi everyone! We're back with our day 4 of phonics. And today Ms. Rosales is going to continue with our sound of the week, IGH.
Okay, boys and girls, we're still focused on the long I spelled IGH. Every single time you see the IGH, it's going to say what? I. It's going to say I. One more time. I. It is day 4, so we're mixing it up. You'll notice that I'm not going to ask you for families. I'm just going to ask you to read it with me. Okay, so no sound by sound. We're just reading it together. Watch it for the multisyllabic words. Here we go. Line 1, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Tight.
3, 2, 1.
Light.
2-syllable count. Ready? Go.
Starlight.
Starlight. Okay, we read it again for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Tight.
Light.
Starlight. Very good. And you probably already can tell what the pattern is for the whole entire 3 lines, but we're not going to touch that until the very end. Here we go. Line 2. 3, 2, 1.
Bright.
Watch it. 2-syllable count. 3, 2, 1.
Midnight.
Very good. Again, 2-syllable count. 3, 2, 1.
Outright.
Outright. Fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Right.
Midnight.
Outright. Very good. Okay, line 3. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Might.
2-syllable count. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Higher.
Very good. 2-syllable count again. Go ahead.
Light.
One more time for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Light.
Higher.
Spotlight.
Okay, it is day 4, so I'm going to point to 3 of the words, and I need you to repeat those 3 words. So what it would look like if I point to these 3, after I let go of my marker, you're going to say tight, midnight, bright, because that was the pattern I created with the 3. Ready?
Light. Bright.
And very good.
Tight. Light. Starlight.
Okay, 2 more times. Ready?
Bright.
Right.
Midnight.
Starlight.
Okay.
Higher.
Midnight.
All right. Thank you for practicing along with me. So looking at all 3 lines, you notice that all of them have the same what family. Think about it. Take a moment to think. What is the family that we're working with here? Not just IGH here. Come to your chest as soon as you have it. All right. Do I have a volunteer who would like to highlight the family we're working with here? What family are we working here in line 1, 2, and 3? Anyone? Thank you, Ms. Kim.
Light.
It is correct. So we have I here, 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 and it repeats itself in all of our words. Again, this is day 4. Oops. That one doesn't have it. My bad. But that's okay. We do identify IGH there. Read the sentence to yourselves. And just like yesterday and the day before, what you're looking for are words that have the long I spelled IGH. Thumb to your chest as soon as you're finished reading it. Remember, the goal is to find the words that have the long I spelled IGH. Great. If you've read it, thank you. Show me with your hand the number of words you found with the long I spelled IGH. Great. Ms. Valencia, can you help us out and identify one of the words?
I see the word might.
That is correct. Any volunteers for another word that you might have found?
Highlight.
Highlight, thank you. Another word you might have found?
Bright.
Bright, thank you. One more, please.
Spotlight.
Spotlight, yes, that is correct.
I like to be in the spotlight.
Wow. Okay, so we're gonna now move on. And If you have a whiteboard at home, please go ahead and take that moment to take out a whiteboard marker and an eraser. If you don't have a whiteboard, paper and pencil work just as fine. Hopefully I can get this working. Yes. And just like in the classroom, we're going to start here, going down each column. As we progress to the right side, we're challenging ourselves. And then the sentence is done at the end. So we're going to start from the top, work our way over. You're looking at blanks for consonants or consonant-vowel combinations. And you'll notice that the IGH is being highlighted here. Okay. So we're done with decoding. Now we're going to encode. I'm going to give you the word. If you don't need this help, you can just write it on your board or on your paper. Okay, first word is sigh. Ready? I. Show me your paper. I. Great job. Thank you. So far, everyone is correct. Yes, thank you. Next word. Hi. I. Great job, Miss Kim. Miss T, thank you. Miss Yakimowicz, Miss Valencia, thank you. Next word. The word is thigh. I. Yes, yes, yes. Waiting for one more. Yes, thank you, Miss Valencia. Okay, we're gonna go to the next section. Now you have one consonant in the front and the back. Be careful with that one. The word is tight. What's the word?
Tight.
Tight. Excellent job. Thank you. Next word. Two consonants at the front and one in the back. The word is bright. What's the word? Bright.
Right.
Excellent job. Thank you. Put your paper down. Last word on this column, the word is flight. What's the word? Flight.
Right.
Flight. Excellent job. Excellent job. Put it down. Challenging words. Be careful. 2-syllable count. The first word is midnight. What's the word? Midnight.
Midnight.
Midnight. Excellent, excellent. Whiteboards down. Next word. Sunlight. What's the word?
Sunlight.
Light. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you. Next word. Last word here. This one has the long I spelled IGH twice. The word is highlight. The word is highlight. What's the word? Highlight. Highlight. Excellent job. Excellent. Okay, take a moment to write this down on your paper, or you can follow along as I say it and write the sentence down. For those of you who have practiced this at home, you can pause, copy this in, and then be ready for me to say the sentence and try your best to spell it out. Thumb to your chest when you're ready. Okay, here we go. The bright, bright, light, light, was quite. Careful, the long I here is spelled I blank E. Quite. And the last word here is sight. Sight. I'll repeat it again. The bright light was quite a sight. Looks good here. Great job. Thank you, thank you. So let me go ahead and fill this in for you so that you know what your answer should look like at the end. And just so you know, in the classroom, I call on each student to go ahead and share their response at random. And then I said the bright light was, here was that tricky word, quite a sight. All right, thank you for joining us, day 4. Yay!